banks are losing money like crazy and they're going to fail or get a bailout. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, and man, it's always an interesting time in our financial system, right? We have GameStop, right? Showing all our financial fraud that's going on. And oh yeah, you are showing the fraud. So you know what? You're manipulating the stock price. We're going to be talking about that and more in today's episode. So stay tuned. Watch out. Watch all the way to the end, right? Bitcoin is exactly where I told you where it would be, and I'm going to tell you where it's going to go from here. So let's make sure you watch all the way to the end, because that's when I do the TA. And if you're interested in trading, right, you could head over to toobit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. You can also sign up and get a part of my free group as well. And WAFFLES coin is available on TOOBIT, right? WAFFLES coin has taken off. I told you so. So yeah, we seeing WAFFLES taking off, and it's still early. We are moving this thing to $1 billion market cap. It is locked in. Join the group, join the fun, right? Get a little bit of WAFFLES, man, and even if you have, you could sell half on a double, right? It's still okay to get in here, wait for it to go to 4 cents, just over 4 cents, and then boom, you sell half, and then let the rest ride and watch as we get to $1 billion market cap and even beyond, as we provide real value for the WAFFLES coin. After you hit the $1 billion market cap, I think we'll probably have that already ready by the time we get to $1 billion market cap, because we're planning starting as soon as we get to 100 million market cap. We're already starting to plan. So make sure you head over to toobit.davincij15.com to get into WAFFLES coin. And also WAFFLES coin, our first application here is the waffle swap. So yeah, check it out. You could swap waffles and gain points, and actually get some free waffles as well for swapping here, not on your actual app. So use this to swap to WAFFLES coins. Let's get on with the news. Wow. Banks, they've been losing money since 2023. And it's just unrealized losses. You're just saying, well, okay, that's like shorting Bitcoin. So these guys all shorted Bitcoin, right? And because they haven't closed the short yet, right? That means it's still okay. That's what this means. So just because they shorted at 20K and they're down like heavy, because it's 71K, that's okay. It's still going to go down, and they'll be fine in a few years. Oh man, you know what? Don't worry about the banks. Even though, they're saying that 63 banks are in our high risk category now, raise of 21%. Don't matter. It doesn't matter, right? No matter how much the banks lose, they're going to win. Why? Because there's a printing press, right? Yes, certain banks will close, right? The ones that the government or your central banker decides, yeah, it's okay, right? He doesn't get a bailout, but JP Morgan, he gets a bailout, right? That's the way it works. That's the way the world works, right? Some people get the bailout, other people don't. Money 2020, a race between stablecoins and CBDCs. There is no race. There is no race. Why? It's because stablecoins won, right? It's the same, right? They follow all the rules that the banks want and done. So it doesn't matter, these stablecoins, these CBDCs. It's a waste of time. At the panel discussion of Money 2020, the three professionals discussed the possibility of a cooperation and competition between central bank digital currencies and stablecoins, and the practical implications of the widespread acceptance of digital currencies in the real world. I'm sorry, you're too late, CBDCs. You're too late. You're too late. You're done. It's like somebody coming up with, a new Ethereum, like Cardano. It's too late. It's too late. You're not penetrating the market. Okay, this breaking news, as I was telling you, E-Trade is reportedly considering kicking Warren Kitty off the platform due to concerns about the potential stock manipulation. Obviously, not one-to-one comparison, but meanwhile, in Congress, well, there's a whole list of congressmen that have clearly manipulated stock, right? But by the way, what their manipulation is legal. They're able to, buy stock that they are going to vote on and vote legislations and legal precedent into law, knowing that they're going to vote for it and it's going to win. And so then they go and buy the stock and then, get their families and friends to buy the stock. But that's not manipulation. That's not illegal. That is just good business practices. Meanwhile, if you did that, you'd go to jail. If you did that in the public sector, what they're doing, what these guys are doing, it'd be jail time, right? But pounding jail time, heavy jail time. So, but they don't get that because they're politicians. So our whole system is rigged. If you don't know that, well, now you know. It's not the end of the world, guys. You can always get into crypto where there's lots of room, right, for wealth growth, and you can ignore all these crimes and situations with the obvious system, which is not a fair and honest system for the individuals. Okay, Bybit report shows growing popularity of meme coins among institutional and retail investors. No. Really? Wow. A new report by the crypto exchange Bybit shows that meme coins are becoming significant components of crypto portfolios. Institutional meme coins holdings surged 226% from February to March, while the retail meme holdings spiked 478% from February to April. However, they aggressively sold off their meme coins when market sentiment soured. No. Jesus. I don't know if anybody in the crypto space really needed this report to know that meme coins are here and they're here to stay. It was abundantly clear from way back in February when all of a sudden coins that don't make no sense, like dog with hat, which is like literally a dog with hat. That's it. Is a multi-billion-dollar asset that's gotten so much attention that even has the Wall Street Bull in New York has a hat on it because of the dog with hat. Wow. All right. Well, that's why we have WAFFLES meme coin, right? It is clear that, this is a meme coin. And, but meme coins have to be translated into something solid, I believe. I mean, they don't have to, right? But this is why I support SHIB so much. I think SHIB, even though, Dogecoin can't turn into anything meaningful because it's its own chain, SHIB has Shibarium, and I think we will see SHIB do extremely well in the future. So make sure you hold on to some SHIB for future gains. Now, we're going to see it head up to like around the 6,000-ish area. But that's about it, dude. Honestly, I'm sorry. It's just a double. I know it sucks, but SHIB has too much volume, too much, history. And so it can't do major things just yet. Can in the future, but not yet. Guys, sorry. We have other meme coins that people are buying, and sorry that money is going there. Okay, well, moving on to Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin, we are right exactly where we said we were going to be. I mean, I told you this after this breakout right here, as we bounce off of this, it was clearly that we were heading to the 71,000, 72,000-ish area and probably going to hit the 72,000. Now, the question is, right, where's it going now? Yeah, okay, well, we have to wait for it to break above, unfortunately. Yeah, that's pretty high, I know, but it is what it is. $72,742 level, right, is where we have to break out. So we're at the 72,000-ish. When we get to the 72, We have to see if Bitcoin breaks higher. Do you want to bet on this here? It's probably a little late for that to bet on that. We have to wait and see if Bitcoin comes back and retests the lows before we go higher. Odds are that probably will, but this is a new paradigm, right? With crypto, with everybody making money in meme coins, and institutional players can only play with Bitcoin and Ethereum. You get the feeling that they might FOMO into Bitcoin, saying, "Hey, you know what? This is what I got. This is where I'm going to go." All right. With that said, let's move on to Ethereum, which is like, what the hell? What? Why? Ethereum? Why did you die? What happened to you? I don't know. I can't tell you why Ethereum is not moving higher, but all I can do is accept what Ethereum is doing and then redraw what is happening here. So whilst I was saying this is a support and resistance line, I'm going to have to say, no, this is the resistance and new support down here. And now we're bouncing in between a range. And so the clear issue is whether we're going to break lower or break higher. And that's it. And so right now it hasn't decided, but we're near the tops. So that's a good sign that it's going to break higher. Once we do break higher, I think we can say that this target up here is going to be blown through. And so I would say the target is approximately $4,150 mark is where it wants to target if we break out. So it's a nice clear trade here. So let's just go and make that trade and see what happens. So we can say maybe we want to go to a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio right down here on the breakout, 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and that's worthwhile trade to see if we are right. And let's just wait and see what happens. You could always enter the trade right here or wait for the breakout. So it's up to you, because stop loss is within the range, so it's always a possibility that we don't go to the lower side of the range. Okay, well, Solana is up, and that's also bringing a lot of the meme coins up. So yeah, it's a good day for meme coins. And this is Solana is going to go to $1,000. So if you are in any meme coin on Solana, it is a smart thing to do is to sell half, leave it in Solana, wait for it to go to 1,000, and then sell that into Bitcoin, and forget that, and then save your Bitcoin for your future wealth. Right? And there you go. You have it. You have your plan. So go execute. All right. Thank you all for watching, and I will be doing my questions and answers today. And yeah, that's it for this evening. Cheers.